Hey ladies, it's me April with a Sparkle. I have some unicorn kisses here from Evelyn from Poohs Corner. So I just wanted to show you just a really quick kind of like a how to encapsulate. It's just the way I do it, and I'm sure everybody has their different preference way, but this is the way I do this. So I'm going to just go ahead and put Poohs Corner milk. It's like a milky white. It's very, very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down first. Okay, now that I am done with my base, we're going to go ahead and pick up a small bead of clear and then also get the glitter. I have it in baggies right now. So you just pick up the glitter and put it on the nail. And then just like smush it around however you want this glitter. I did pick up a bunch, so I've had to put some on the paper towel there. But I mean, I really love this glitter. This glitter is so pretty. Like, it has a lot of color in there. When you like color, this is your glitter. This is Unicorn Kisses. All right, so we're done with that. So we're going to go ahead and add the clear. We're going to add a little bit of clear onto the nail now, and pretty much you're adding this like a little wetter than normal, just so you can get through all those crevices through the chunky glitter, and then also to not get any air pockets or air bubbles or anywhere that may be seen once you put the top coat on. But I really like how this came out. So this is what it looks like, the finished product. It is super duper cute. You see no air bubbles, no pockets anywhere. And there's no like leaking of the pigmentation or anything from the glitter. So I do hope you guys like this video. Thanks guys. Bye.